Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today we are going to practice counting in Dutch from 1 to 100 and a little bit beyond. Numbers are very useful in daily life, for dates, medication, time, money, and more. Let's begin slowly. First, the numbers from 1 to 10. In Dutch, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll break them down one by one. 1, just one syllable. 1. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 2. Repeat after me. 2, 3, 3. Repeat after me. 3, 4, 4. Repeat after me. 4, 5, 5 like 5 with an F and soft Dutch V. Repeat after me. 5, 6, 6. Repeat after me. 6, 7. Break it down. 7, 7. Repeat after me. 7, 8. One strong syllable from the throat. 8, 8. Repeat after me. 8, 9. Break it down. 9, 9. Repeat after me. 9, 10, 10. Just like 10. Repeat after me. 10. Now let's continue with the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Break them down with me. 20, 20. 20. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 30. Repeat after me. 30, 40, 40. Repeat after me. 40, 50, 50. Repeat after me. 50, 60, 60. Repeat after me. 60, 70, 70. Repeat after me. 70, 80, 80. Repeat after me. 80, 90, 90. 90. Repeat after me. 90. And then 100 is 100. One word. 100. 100. Repeat after me. 100. Now let's try a few combinations. 21 is 21. Break it down. 1 en 20. 21. Repeat after me. 21. 34 is 34. 4 en 30. 34. Repeat after me. 34. 68 is 68. 8 en 6. 68. Repeat after me. 68. 99 is 99. Nij. Gen. En. Nij. Gen. 90. 99. Repeat after me. 99. And 101 is 101. Let us break it down. 101. 101. Repeat after me. 101. You have done an excellent job. Numbers can be tricky at first, but with practice, you will be able to use them easily for dates, times, and daily routines. Blijf oefenen, keep practicing, en tot de volgende keer.